I'm gonna tell you, putting lower thirds is something that a lot of people do, and it's really beneficial. And sometimes you may say the wrong thing, or maybe you give the wrong impression, and you kind of want to put a little thing right there just to let people know what you meant and things like that. I use lower thirds every now and then. I don't like to go crazy on it because, again, too many may get kind of like I just don't like it. But nevertheless, Final Cut Pro has ways for you to put lower thirds. And you know what? They're pretty good. All right, guys, welcome back to the Content Creator Tool channel. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, stay tuned because we got lots of videos coming up. Okay, so I'm in the process of editing this video right here, and I just want to show you a couple things you can do. Very, very simple to put essentially a lower third here in Final Cut Pro. So if you come up here all the way to the left, there's going to be three little icons. You can see it right there. The one all the way to the right has a T. And if you click in there, you're going to have a bunch of, just a bunch of lower thirds. And easily you could grab one and kind of put it in top wherever you want. And then you could kind of like make it bigger. Again, you know, how many seconds you want to play, just like this. And you can see it right there, right? So again, when the video play, I'm play real quick into my docking station, right? And I have the right equipment. It's very, very simple. I don't have to worry about. You can see the lower third coming up right there, right? So again, you could kind of play with this. You can kind of see the ones that you like. You kind of see, whatever kind of like you enjoy or something like that. Obviously, this is different for everybody, but look, let me show you this one, my docking station, right? And I have the right equipment. It's very, very simple. I don't have to worry about it. See that right there? Come here. So again, that's a little bit funky to me. I don't like that, but I usually use this one right here. I'm gonna go into the search bar and I'm gonna pull continuous, and it kind of show. This is the one that I do like to use a lot. And for example, I'm gonna put here subscribe, right? So I'm gonna double tap on it. I'm gonna paste here subscribe. I like to come up here. If you look all the way to the right, you can do some changes. I like using the impact right here, and then I like to kind of come all the way down and put a little bit of a shadow, and you can kind of see it right there, right? And then I'm gonna put a little exclamation mark, and then from there you can make it bigger as well. Really simple. You could kind of mess with the setting right here, or you could come right here to this icon, and then you could grab it, and then you could kind of make it a little bit bigger, right? You can see how I'm making it a little bit bigger, and I want to put it like right here, right? So it says subscribe right there. And now you're kind of gonna see right here how it plays out, right? And I have the right equipment. It's very, very simple. I don't have to worry about it. All I have to do is come here and develop that. Even my background is the way I like it. You know, I was in the military in the past, and it comes out. I mean, really, really simple. So again, go into the little T right there. Look at some of the ones that they have. I typically recommend to kind of stay with the same one, kind of create a little bit of branding. You can actually change the colors on dust as well if you want to make it a different colors. But again, very, very simple. You could put a lower third here on Final Cut Pro, and I really like this program, so I wanted to show it to you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think. We'll see you on the next one.